Here's how to find a wedding registry on Amazon. So it's a few clicks away from the home page, but if you want a shortcut, there's a link in the description to the wedding registry page. Also, the top comment down there, the pinned comment. Now, from here, we can go to two spots potentially. Number one, there's the accounts drop down, and you'll see your lists, and you can click find a list or registry. From there, there's another click to go to the. But anyway, you can click on this, and then there's another spot if you don't see this, which is this all button, and you drop that down, kind of scroll down a little bit, find programs and features, click see all, scroll down a little bit more, find gifting and registry, and then you'll see wedding registry. And so you can click on that to go to the wedding registry page. This is the page that the link in the description will take you to. But from here, we can search for a name, or we can do a more advanced search by going to find a registry up here at the top. And from here, we can actually search by name. Again, I'm just going to put in Smith as an example. We can change the event location, kind of filter when the wedding takes place, and then search for a registry. And you'll see all the listings that match anything that you've put in over on the left. From here, you can just click on someone's name, and then it'll load their registry. And so once it loads their registry, you'll see what's on their list, and you can pick and choose from there and just shop the registry pretty easily here on Amazon. And so, yeah, I mean, the link in the description will take you straight to the wedding registry page. It's an affiliate link that supports this channel. If you don't want to use it, no problem. Just go the other routes that we took to get to this page. Now, if you were to click on your lists and then find the list or registry, there's an in-between page, and you should see a tab here that says wedding registry. This is like a registry page for all different registries and gifting. So we click on that. That takes you to not where I thought it would take you to. Apparently, it takes you to creating a registry or a gift list. We didn't want that. We actually wanted to find a registry. So that's interesting. So I'm going to click find a registry over here, and then maybe you can do the same thing and then click wedding registry and kind of narrow down. I would say the wedding registry page is a better page than this one. I had anticipated that this link would just take you to the wedding registry page because that's where the baby registry takes you to, but I guess it didn't. Anyway, that is how to find a wedding registry on Amazon.